Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Trezor versus Dcent. Let's dive into their core security features. Trezor devices, like the Model T, prioritize open-source firmware and strong encryption, giving users transparency and control. Dcent wallets, such as the biometric wallet, integrate fingerprint scanning for an extra layer of physical security. Both brands ensure your private keys never leave the device, protecting your digital assets from online attacks. Understanding these foundational security aspects is key to making an informed choice. Next, let's explore the cryptocurrencies and features each wallet supports. Trezor devices are known for their extensive coin support, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of ERC20 tokens, managed through the user-friendly Trezor suite. Dcent also supports a broad spectrum of assets, with over 600 cryptocurrencies across 84 blockchains, often managed via its mobile application. Both enable secure sending and receiving, but their ecosystem approaches differ, catering to various user preferences and needs. Now, let's talk about the user experience and design. Trezor devices, particularly the Model T and Safe 5, offer a responsive color touchscreen, making navigation and transaction verification intuitive. Dcent wallets, like the biometric wallet, feature a 1-inch OLED display and a more contemporary aesthetic, often appealing to users who prefer a modern look. Both aim for ease of use, but their physical interfaces and accompanying software provide distinct experiences. Consider which design philosophy aligns best with your daily usage. Finally, let's discuss the price and overall value proposition. Trezor offers different models, such as the Trezor Model 1 and Trezor Safe 5, with prices typically ranging from around $49 to $169, depending on the model and features. Dcent wallets, like the biometric wallet, are often priced similarly, usually between $38 and $150. When choosing, weigh the initial investment against the advanced security and features each device provides. Both offer robust protection for your digital wealth.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.